Hi everyone, we are going to simplify this radical. Just remember by number sense, we know that 9 is 3 squared, and from powers of power property, remember a to the m to the power of n is a to the m times n. So 100 is 50 times 2. We can rewrite this as d to the 50th powers squared is actually d to the 100. So if this is uh, a square, there's an invisible 2 right here. We can take them out as this 3 squared is going to be out as 3. And this d to the 100, right, is going to be out as d to the 50. So the answer is B. Factor. So leading coefficient is 6. It is not 1. In this case, we were multiplying these two guys 6 times negative 15 is negative 90. And I'm thinking aloud to factors of negative 90, but I need to find the factors there. Some must be negative 1. So negative 10 times 9. Product is negative 90, and the sum is negative 1. So these are my magical numbers, negative 10 and 9. All right, let's start. So I don't touch my first term. Now I'm going to rewrite my middle term by using my magical numbers. Negative 10x plus 9x. I broke apart. And my last term is negative 15. All right. They're still equivalent. But this is time to group them. I am going to group these two guys, right, and the other two guys. So I think x's are similar, common, sorry. And they're both even numbers. 2x is out. What is left? 3x is left right here. Negative 10x divided by 2x is negative 5. X is out. I don't have x anymore here. Negative 5. Awesome. How about here? 9 and 15. Both divisible by 3. 3 is out. 3x minus 5 is in. Now 3x minus 5s are common. 3x minus 5 is common. What is left? 2x and 3. 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 1. The correct answer is A. Thank you.